Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your primary email address on Facebook, which is nice if you've lost access to the old one or if you've just created a new one. To get started, I'll show you where to go on the desktop version first. Head to facebook.com and on the top right, click the arrow to drop down the menu. Select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. In here, you'll see all of your contact info and under Contact, your email address on file. Select Edit on the right. As you can see, I only have one email on my account right now, so I'll click Add another email or mobile number. In the pop-up dialog that appears, type your email address that you want to add, and when done, click Add. Next, for the security of your account, enter your Facebook password and hit Submit. After that, you'll get a dialog telling you to go to your email and confirm to validate that you have access to that email address. Check your email, and on the one from Facebook, tap Confirm. It will then resend you back to your Facebook settings page and you'll see changes saved. Click on your contact email again and confirm that your new email address was added and is made primary. If you want, you can then delete your old email address if you no longer have access to it, or you can keep it on there as a backup. Next, I'll show you how to check it inside of the mobile Facebook app. To do this on the mobile version is the same process, but it's in a little bit of a different location in the settings. Open Facebook and tap the three lines at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and then Settings inside this drop-down menu. Next, tap Personal Information on the top, and then Contact Info inside of here. And now this is where you can add new emails or phone numbers like we did on the desktop version. And that's how you add and change your primary email address on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.